Updating your credit card on Seamless.ai is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Log in. Access your Seamless.ai account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings menu, find and select the payment information or billing section. This is where you can manage your credit card details. Step 4. Update credit card details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new credit card information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. By following these steps, you can easily update your credit card information on Seamless.ai. Keeping your payment details current helps ensure uninterrupted access to services.